We are 10 doors down with 2 doors to go in our 12-day Arteza art supply calendar. And both doors are about the same size, so I think I have a pretty good guess of what's inside both of them. What do you guys think lie behind door 11 and door 12? Guys, we are so close to the end of this 12-day Arteza calendar. I am still waiting to hear anything about my 24-day calendar. I contacted Arteza to cancel the first full price one that I never received, and it's been a couple days, and I still haven't heard anything back from them. So I'm not super into their customer service right now, and when I leave a review, that's definitely something I'm going to point out, is that sometimes their customer service is great and sometimes their customer service is terrible. And I think it's really funny that Arteza comments on a lot of my videos on Twitter when I share them, because it's like, if y'all watched it, you would know I'm not saying just nice things. So that's a little weird for me too. It'd be great if they addressed the concerns I've sent them. But anyway, let's take a look at what's in door number 11's. It's getting harder and harder to not rip these doors and to kind of keep this thing in one piece. Oh, rip the door. It's hard to do it on camera too. All right, so boy, I ruined that door. Inside, I probably don't know if I can, there we go. All right, they still don't know how to use these ribbon things. They're always in front of the product. Okay, so we received another Arteza acrylic marker, this time in space black. It still has a plastic nib, which is fine. We can use these as an outliner on our acrylic project, so I'm actually kind of excited about that, to be real. Let's piece my door back together and read today. On Dasher, on Dancer, on Prancer, on Vixen, on Comet, on Cupid, on Donner, on Blitzen. For today's challenge, we want to see your best silhouette of Santa's sleigh in action. Whew, okay. Using your new space black acrylic marker. Use the hashtag Arteza Holidays to share your work with artists from around the world. So we are 11 days deep into it. I am glad it's another marker. I was kind of hoping we'd get another another acrylic brush in this, like a flat or something, because that little bitty round is just going to kind of make things harder to do. But I don't think day 12 has that in store. So what I'm planning to do tomorrow is, and this is pending on life, open door number 12 for you guys, and then sit down, crunch the numbers, figure out the value of this calendar and whether it's worth it for you to order it. Possibly worth it. I don't know your life, but I know my life, and I know the kind of gifts I like to give. Whether or not this particular art supply advent calendar would make a good gift, in my opinion. I think y'all probably know where I'm leaning. And then from day 12 onward, so December 13th and on, I'm going to work on some of these challenges. I haven't decided if I'm going to try to just do them all as one video or if I want to do them day by day yet. It'd be easier to do them as one video because I'll already have all the mess and all the supplies out. Or I might do a little video magic where I record them all in one day and then chop them up and release them day by day. So I don't know, if you guys have a preference, do you want all of those as one video, or do you want them day by day? I'm also going to do a recap video later where I kind of condense all 12 days together and give like a review of this advent calendar for folks who don't feel like watching 12 days of Arteza advent calendar art supply review. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. I hope I hear back from Arteza anytime soon. It's really, even if I loved this calendar, it'd be very difficult for me to recommend it considering the hiccups I'm having with the other calendar. Just as a gift buying experience, that's awful. So they might want to work on that, and I'm definitely going to keep poking them. I'm 90 bucks in the hole for 2 advent calendars, and I don't have either of them. And for one of them, it's been more than a month. So it sure would be nice to know what's going on there. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 12, our last door on the Arteza advent calendar. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.